guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about this new high profit forex indicator trend mystery. But before I do that, if you love everything about making money online, especially trading the financial markets and cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. So please subscribe and press the bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, I will really appreciate it if you can like and share this video. Now, let's begin. Trend Mystery, it has just been released by Carl Dickman, and it has amazing accuracy and outstanding results. Trend Mystery is a powerful MT4 trend indicator. It's not an EA or robot that works on all pairs and in the time frames of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. Trend Mystery comes with a step-by-step user guide with screenshots, special tips, and trading recommendations. Every time there is a new trading opportunity, Trend Mystery will generate a new buy or sell sign. This new forex indicator is great for beginners because you don't have to do absolutely nothing, just wait for the signal to appear, and you will know exactly when to enter and when to exit the trade, just like you can see here in this graph. As you can see, 3 easy wins with Trend Mystery: 1 buy, 1 sell, and 1 buy. It's amazing how easy it is to make pips every time you use this new forex indicator. Whenever a new signal is generated, Trend Mystery will inform you via pop-up sound alert, email alert, or push notification sent to your mobile. So you just keep your broker platform running while you are doing other things, and once the pop-up alert sounds, you can instantly place your trade. It's easy, easy, easy. As you can see, you have everything you need: the pair, the time frame, the signal, a buy or a sell, the entry price, the take profit, and the stop loss. This is very important. Signals are never repaint. If you get a new signal, it will stay there. The indicator will not change its mind and reposition the signal. Trend Mystery has also been equipped with a unique multi-level confirmation feature that confirms the buy-sell signals and allows users to jump in trades right when they reach the strongest momentum and the highest winning potential. Look at this. Trend Mystery will help you score winning trades within minutes regardless of your level of experience. Buy signals appear in the upper part of the oscillator window. See these 2 dashed lines here and here? They break this part into 3 sections: 1, 2, and 3. In the first section in here, you will get a normal signal, but you will get a stronger signal in section 2, in here. Then, if all 3 sections are covered, that's the strongest signal with the highest potential to bring us some high profit. The same logic applies to sell signals, which appear in the lower part of the oscillator window. The lower the section, the stronger the price movement is expected to be and the more profit potential there is. These sections can help you choose at which point to enter your trades. As you can see, the dashed lines, the first section, second section, and the third section. Let's say you get a signal at the first section in here. You can enter your trade right away, but it might be a good idea to stay put until the signal reaches the second and third section, and then immediately jump in the trade right when it starts getting its strong momentum. You can also choose to skip signals that never make it to the second or third section, thus avoiding flat markets and trades with low power and small winning potential. The multi-level confirmation feature combined with highly accurate buy-sell signals will ensure the best results possible. No repaint, highly accurate buy-sell signals, unique multi-level confirmation feature, 3 types of signal alerts, and multiple trading styles. All in one indicator, the trend mystery. So, believe me, I am 100% confident that you will be very happy with the brand new trend mystery indicator. If you want more information about this amazing high profit Forex indicator, please check out the link I am leaving below this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Until next time, bye bye.